So I went to dry my clothes this morning and I heard a bunch of rustling and some chirping in our dryer duct. Yeah, that would be our dryer duct right there on the right hand side. You can see that I don't have a flap in it. It broke off several years ago and I've just been leaving it. But this is a long run. You can see these are my other bathroom vent fans. They actually have little flaps on them, so we don't have birds in that one. But I know that's my dryer duct because cleaning it out a couple of years ago I broke my flap. I don't feel like KFC this morning, so I'm gonna see if I can fish this guy out. There's probably more, huh? Looks like a baby pigeon, I think. I should definitely clean the thing. Should definitely use the drill dough thing. Yeah, but I need to get out. See if there's anything else left in it. I'm sure there's some nesting material, but let's go check it out. So the camera head's all the way in where the dryer is supposed to be right now. It's supposed to be hooked up, so we're all the way in there right now. You can see the camera is straight. It's just full of nesting material.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix. You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in, but it's time now you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
There's a fucking bird in our house. Ah, get out of here. Go on, you're right there. You're right there. Go on. I think we need to close that dryer up. Wait 15 seconds and then pull the trigger. Okay.
You burst in a fire, burn. The thirst and desire. You transform up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Keep going.
First to electric boogaloo.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking
Oh my God.
for
Look at, oh, there's a big clunk. There we go.
Now it's open.
There's a lot of crap up there. Whew. Probably can't hear me anymore, but we got a lot of stuff out of there. A lot of stuff. Big old clog in it. And another bird. Come on. Come on. It's not my job to kill you. Guy, I'm sorry, dude. You can't invest in my dryer vent, dude. Oh shit. Jerry found the other one. There's two of them. Sorry, Jerry. You should probably eat that. So one tip of using these things is always keep it turning to the right. If you start turning it to the left and you accidentally turn it too much, you'll disconnect these joints and then you'll lose all these inside of your dryer ducts. So just make sure you're all going the same way to the right so you don't unscrew them. I have an extra long dryer vent. It really shouldn't be this long. I'm only getting a little bit more than halfway in with all of these, so the dryer duct that was installed in this house is a little bit longer. I think it's around 30 feet.